Welcome to our channel, friends. In this video we will show you Kuzuludere, which is located in the Catalca district of the European side of Istanbul, where you can both picnic and camp. In this content, Kuzuludere Pond, you can find answers to many questions such as where, how to get, entrance fees and camping activities. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Kuzuludere is located within the borders of Catalca district. Its pond is connected to Yalakort. Suitable for tent camping and caravan camping, Kuzuludere you can have fun at the pond. You can easily set up your tent and have a pleasant time. In addition, Kuzuludere the pond can be a very good choice for fishing. The water pond in the lake shows extreme seasonal changes. That's why we recommend you to go in the spring. Where is the Kuzuludere Pond? Kuzuludere, the distance of the pond to the city center of Istanbul is 111 kilometers. You can reach it with a journey that will take approximately 2 hours. Kuzuludere, its pond is 57 kilometers away from Catalca town center. Kuzuludere, the distance between the pond and Yalak. It is 5.5 kilometers. Kuzuludere, it is not possible to reach the pond by public transport. However, transportation is provided by ITT expeditions until Yalakort. You can travel between Catalca and Yalakort with ITT services with 404 line number, and then you can reach the pond. Kuzuludere Pond as directions. Those who will go with their own vehicle, on the way from Yalakort to Silingaz, if you enter the sign that says Silingaz Nature Park Hiking Trail and continue to the left, you will see the pond after not far, about 1 kilometer. Navigation. Click on the location directly in the description of the video and click on Kuzuludere. You can reach the pond. It also has coordinates information. Kuzuludere Pond Campground. Kuzuludere, which is lacking in terms of social opportunities, you can make a nice camp in the pond within your own means. We definitely recommend it if you want to camp in a quiet and deserted area in a natural environment where there are no facilities such as toilets, showers, restaurants, internet, electricity and markets. You can bring cushions or rugs to sit on the floor. You can meet your electricity needs with equipment such as portable lighting panels or headlamps. Wild animals can also be observed in the camping area. Remember, all responsibility belongs to you. Kuzuludere, if you say that camping in the pond is not reliable, you can choose the nearby Yalakort camping areas. Kuzuludere, there is no market or facility in the pond. If you are going in the summer, make sure you have insecticide, umbrella and cooler products with you. You must have an umbrella or sunscreen equipment in places where there is no shade. Kuzuludere, if you are camping in the pond, it is forbidden to light a fire on the ground. For this, you can use barbecue, above-ground cooker, spray tube cooker or picnic tube. If you ask what we can do in the Kuzuludere Pond, enjoy scenery, picnic, enjoy a hammock, trekking, bike tour, visit Yalakort, enjoy barbecue, sportive activities, photography, wildlife watching, fishing, caravan and tent camping. You can also go to Kuzuludere waterfall by hiking and take great pictures while cooling off. Although the trekking path is difficult, it is worth seeing the waterfall. You can reach the waterfalls directly from the description section of the video. When we examine the comments of those who went to the Kuzuludere Pond, perfect place. It is a unique natural wonder with its scenery and air. It's a great campsite with great weather and nature, howling wolf and coyote. I went with my caravan. Even though it was Saturday, it was very quiet. There were a few fishermen friends. the fish is coming out. There is no toilet and shower. Do your shopping before you go to the area. Quiet, peaceful, not so known place with a great view. To Yalıköy increasingly close, straight there is a way to count. I didn't usually see family. Male to male, those who come to fish and have a barbecue are in the majority. Crane and similar fish can be caught in the gullet. It is one of the rare beautiful places where you can set up camp. There's a bit of frog noise, but that's it. The streams around it are more attractive. Don't go around the lake and stay there. I say take a forest tour. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of a video. If you have any questions that we missed or want to add, you can write them in the comments section. And you can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.